Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to hard reset your Lenovo K5 Plus. So let's do it. First thing that you must do is to power off your phone and hit power off and hit OK. Now wait a few seconds. And now you must push and hold the volume up button and the power button until you'll see Lenovo on your screen. So let's do it. Volume up and power button, push and hold. Now remove your fingers and wait a few seconds. Okay, and this is the service menu for the Lenovo K5, and here you must select recovery. Here is recovery. Okay, just push it and wait a few seconds. And now with volume down, select wipe data factory reset and press the power to confirm. Again with volume down, select yes, delete all user data and press power to confirm. Now wait a few seconds. And now to reboot the system, now just press the power button and wait until your phone will restart. Now I'm back, and all that you must do is the initial setup. Just hit the yellow arrow and hit skip and next. And now the setup is complete and you can use your phone. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you and have a nice day.